Can I start by thanking everybody who supported Walk On for Wales Air Ambulance Cerddwn Ymlaen so far. We've done 2 walks from Swansea to Cardiff and we've raised over £250,000 for a fantastic cause, the Wales Air Ambulance. This year we're doing our final walk for the Wales Air Ambulance. We're starting in North Wales this time in Eirias Park in Colwyn Bay, walking down the east, then Merthyr Tydfil and then down to Cardiff and finishing here in the castle in Cardiff and walking into the Tafwyl Festival. Right, we're here again at the RGC indoor training facility, putting through our paces by some of the coaches here. We were here last year, but we got a new coach this year, so there's a little bit of a twist to it. It's been reminded really of all the exercises and stretches that we're supposed to do, so that it limits, the opportunity for us to get injured and not to complete the walk. We didn't have this provision during the first year. There was 8 co-walkers and 4 of us had problems, so 50%. But after having this wonderful, training with the RGC, most of us, I think only 2 of us had problems last year, so it's made a lot of difference. Yeah, there's a few walkers walking again with us this year and a few new ones as well. Faces like probably like Lucy Jones, but also people that you won't know, like Elfed, for example, whose son was saved by the Wales Air Ambulance. And it's great to have somebody with a personal reason to walk with us. Please support us. You can find out about us on our website www.walk-on.co.uk or follow us on Facebook with Walk On or Cerddwn Ymlaen. So come on, join us for the final Walk On for Wales Air Ambulance and let's raise thousands of pounds again.